Good afternoon, this is a German Oracle reading for Sunday. It will be short, 2 cards only, and this reading here is for Libra. Welcome Libra. The animal card for you is Grey Wolf, and the Grey Wolf is about nurture, connections. The Grey Wolf's power comes from understanding the intricacies of our bonds with each other. Watch, Wolf says, let words and speech become background babble and instead focus on the eyes, the twitching muscles in the jaw. Begin to feel into complex social situations and understand connections and relationships. This is how you learn whom to trust, how you learn who leads. Play and tend, the wolf reminds. This is how you build the bonds of tribe, a sense of wholeness. The wolf knows that you are a shimmering thread in a larger tapestry, part of an integral weaving of family and community. Understanding social dynamics and how to play them is the wolf's special medicine. And the super attractor card for you is when I'm grateful for what I have, I can feel good along the way to what I desire. That was the reading for Libra. Thanks for listening, Libra. Have a wonderful Sunday. Take care and goodbye.